You don't like doing this, Colton? Why don't you like doing this?
You got it?
You can get your hands off Slimy for the first time. What? You don't like? Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Oh man. How's Josie's hips? She's so gentle with him.
They're running in circles.
This is Dancing with the Dogs. Oh!
Cool.
Need 2 cameramen here. I think he's finally figured out how to play with her. Look at that tail.
Yeah.
Where are you putting noses together?
Josie's gonna get tired. That tickles.
Sounds good.
Oh, look at Josie. She's submitting. That's strange. Look at that, Cody. You got Josie to submit for about 2 seconds. Are you pooped? That's what Cody does when we play ball.
Great, you got it?